Hi, in this video we are going to learn about increment and decrement operators, also known as unary operators. So first we have this plus plus increment operator. It increments a value by 1, and this minus minus decrement operators decrements a value by 1. So let's declare a variable first, int n equal to 10. N plus plus, this is the increment operator, and this will increment a value by 1, and this is same as n equal to n plus 1. Let's display the value of n. The output is 11. So n plus plus mean plus plus operator will increment a value by 1. Also we have this minus minus decrement operator. This will decrement a value by 1. Let's see the output. So now the output is 9. Increment and decrement operators comes in two forms, prefix and postfix. So this n plus plus, this is the postfix version of increment operator, and this will increment a value by 1. So the output is 11. And also we have a prefix version of increment operator. This will also increment a value by 1. So the output is again 11. So both will incremented by 1. If you are just performing a simple increment or decrement, it does not really matter which version you choose. But if you use this operator in a part of larger expression, it may make a significant difference. Let's see this with a code example. So int n equal to n1 equal to 0, int n2 equal to 0, n2 equal to n1 plus plus. So this is the postfix version of increment operators. So in this case, what happened? The modification is done after its value is used. Mean the increment will happen after using its value. So the value of n is what? It's 0. So this value will be assigned to n2. Then after that the increment will happen. So let's see the output first. This is postfix. n1 is plus the value of n1, comma n2 is plus n2. The output is n1 is 1 here and n2 is 0, because in case of a postfix, the modification is done after its value is used. That's what the value of n2 is 0 here and n1 is 1. Let me reinitialize this variable again. n1 equal to 0, n2 equal to 0, and n2 equal to plus plus n1. So this is the prefix version of increment operators. Okay, so in this prefix, modification is done before its value is used. So in this case, in prefix, First it will increment the value, then only it will use its values used. Okay, so let me display first prefix n1 is plus n1 plus n2 is plus n2. So in this case the n1 is 1 and n2 is also 1. So in prefix version, what happened, if you use prefix, then modification is done before its value is used. That means its value will be incremented first, then its value is used. Okay, so that's what the output is. N1 is 11 and N2 is 1. Let me put this in comment. If you try to display the value n1 plus plus directly, so as we know that in postfix what happened, modification is done after its value is used. So before modification the value of n1 is 0, so it will display 0, then internally it will increment the value by 1, so it will become 1. So now if you try to display the value of n1 now, so the output is 0, because in postfix version the modification is done after its value is used. Okay, so before modification the value of n1 is 0, that's what it will display 0. Okay, to verify the value of n1, if you try to display n1 next, then it will display the value 1. So that means the increment is done after its value is used. But in case of prefix, the modification is done before its value is used. So first it will increment the value, then you can use this value. So now if we'll run this code, so now the output is 1. Okay, so in case of postfix the modification is done after its value is used, and in case of prefix the modification is done before its value is used. So thanks for watching.